Hey everyone, Kyle from Pinnacle West. I just thought we'd do a little unboxing video today on Graco's 25P660. And inside that box, we're going to have a grease nipple attachment, the screw that gets stored in the bottom of your gun for removing the cartridge, and this rubber divider. Now the reason behind this part number is to test your cartridges. So if you're having an issue on the job site and you're only getting flow out of one side, what you can do is you can slide in your divider to keep your chemical apart so you don't have a crossover. And you take your grease nipple attachment and you'll slide it over. And what you're looking for is the grease to come out the inside. So it might be hard to see on the video there, but you're gonna do a couple pumps. And if you got flow through, then you know you have no blockage. If you bring it to the other side and it won't pump, then you know you have a blockage in there or there's something wrong with the cartridge. At that point, you can throw it out or try to unblock it. But if you have good flow on both sides, like we do on this, then you can move on and see if you have an issue with your chamber or there's something down the line. So this is a really handy kit to have in your box and get you through the day. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Pinnacle West. Be happy to help you out. Have a good one.